Holiday deals are everywhere, and that little tag hits your brain like a green light. Then comes the split it up option. 4 small payments that feel harmless. One tap later, the bag lands, and those tiny payments quietly line up on your calendar. Do it again and again. Now you've got multiple payment lanes stacking behind the scenes. Days flip, and envelopes start showing up. Same wallet, more due dates. And the wallet doesn't care that each one felt small. Stacked timing hits big. You return one item and feel relieved, but the payment lane keeps moving anyway. Because refunds don't teleport. There's a delay, and your due dates don't pause. Now watch the chain: bag, split payments, calendar, envelopes, wallet. One nudge starts it. And once it falls fast. Confusion turns into panic in seconds. First fix: reminders. If you don't control the calendar controls you. Second fix: one lane. Don't juggle 10 mini plans. Make the plan simple and visible. Third fix: a buffer. Even a small cushion can stop a wobble from becoming a crash. Now the most powerful move: pause before you tap. 2 seconds changes everything. Your rule becomes simple. Check wallet, check calendar, then decide. Never the other way around. When temptation pops up again, you don't fight it. You follow the checklist. Payment day arrives. And because it's planned, it feels boring. Boring is good. Next one lands, same calm move. Predictable payments beat surprise payments every time. Fees try to creep in at the edges, but reminders and buffer push them back. Look at that. Domino's standing again. One lane, one rhythm, stable wallet. Here's the sneaky part. Split payments can stack with subscriptions and other autopays. That's 2 lanes hitting the same calendar. One paycheck, multiple silent grabs. And returns still have that delay. So you can owe money on something you sent back. Calendar flips don't care about excuses, only timing. That's why planning beats hope. Buffer money is your shock absorber. It keeps one surprise from wrecking the whole week. Add a spending cap. If it doesn't fit under the lid, it doesn't get added. And put the pause domino first. The chain can't fall if the first piece won't move. Pause, wallet, calendar, then buy. That order is the difference between control and chaos. Keep the lanes merged. One clear line you can track, not 10 lines you forget. Lock your reminders to payday so the payments land when you're ready, not when you're weak. Now, when a new deal appears, you shrink the impulse and fund the buffer first. Payment hits, you clear one dot, and the plan gets shorter, not scarier. And if another lane tries to sneak in, you cancel it or cut it before it stacks. When the refund finally arrives, great, but you planned for the wait, so it doesn't hurt. This is the system.
See?
Pause,
Wallet to the
calendar,
buffer jar,
one lane,
then
buffer.
mark it on the calendar.
Simple enough to repeat. Even when 3 temptations hit at once, you don't react. You filter and choose one. See it? The pause domino blocks the fall. That's what stops the spiral. Fees try to show up again, but reminders plus buffer money make them disappear. Now your month runs on a calm rhythm. Flip, pay, shorten, repeat. No surprises. Dominoes standing, wallet steady. The goal isn't never buy, it's never lose control.